Hello friends, welcome to our channel RD Learning. நம்ம வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டிக் இண்டக்ஷன் தான். இது நம்மளோட 86th வீடியோ. அவங்க கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். In electromagnetic induction, the induced charge is independent of time தான், B தான். அடுத்து induced electromotive force is produced when a magnet is plugged into a coil. The strength of the induced electromotive force is independent of the resistivity of the wire of the coil. See தான். அடுத்து according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, electric field is produced by time varying magnetic flux. ஏதான் because Faraday's law states that time varying magnetic flux can induce an electromotive force. அடுத்து a moving conductor coil produces an induced electromotive force. This is in accordance with என்ன law? Faraday's law. B தான். அடுத்து a coil of insulated wire is connected to a battery. If it is taken to a galvanometer, its pointer is deflected because the induced current is produced. ஏதான். அடுத்து the polarity of induced electromotive force is given by Lenz's law. See தான். Self inductance of the coil is measure of electrical inertia. ஏதான். அடுத்து the coil in resistance boxes are made of double insulated wire to nullify the effect of self-induced EMF. D தான். அடுத்து Lenz's law is a consequence of the law of conversion of energy. C தான். அடுத்து the law of electromagnetic induction have been used in the construction of a generator. D தான். அடுத்து two coils are placed close to each other. The mutual inductance of the pair of coil depends upon relative position and orientation of two coils. C தான். சாரி B தான். அடுத்து the two identical coaxial circular loops carry a current I, each circulating in the same direction. If the loops approaches each other, you will observe that the current is each decreases. B தான். அடுத்து the self-inductance associated with the coil is independent of resistance of a coil. D தான். அடுத்து the current flows from A to B is shown in the figure. The direction of the induced current is in the loop is clockwise. A தான். Two identical coaxial coils P and Q carry equal amount of current in the same direction or brought nearer. The current in both P and Q decreases. D தான். அடுத்து direction of current induced in a wire moving in a magnetic field is found using Fleming's right hand rule. B தான். அடுத்து an electromotive force is produced in a coil which is not connected to an external voltage source. This is not due to the coil is stationary in external spatially varying magnetic field which does not change with time. D தான். அடுத்து Lenz's law is a consequence of law of conservation of energy. இது ரிப்பீட் ஆகுது இந்த கொஷின். அடுத்து a solenoid is connected to a battery so that the steady current flows through it. If an iron core is inserted into a solenoid, the current will decreases. B தான். அடுத்து there is a uniform magnetic field direction perpendicular and into the plane of a paper. An irregular shape conducting loop is slowly changing into a circular loop in a plane of paper. Then current is induced in the loop in the anti-clockwise direction. ஏதான். which of the following does not use the application of eddy currentன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. LED lights C தான். அடுத்து the north pole of a bar magnet is rapidly introduced into a solenoid at one end, says A. Which of the following statement correctly depicts the phenomenon taking place ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The end A of the solenoid behaves like a north pole C தான். அடுத்து a metal plate can be heated by passing either a direct or alternating current through the plate placed in a time varying magnetic field. So both A and B are correct. D தான் correct. அடுத்து if a number of turns in a primary and secondary coil is increased to 2 times each, the mutual inductance ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இது வந்து becomes 4 times. ஸோ A தான். அடுத்து when the rate of change of current is unity, the induced electromotive force is equal to a coefficient of self-inductance C தான். அடுத்து eddy current does not cause sparking C தான். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் என் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். தேங்க்யூ.